Are you ready, guys, to avoid some monetization mistake on your social media account? Are you ready to get monetized without any issue in your social media monetization journey? Do you know that successfully monetizing social media requires careful navigation to avoid common pitfalls? I know you don't know that. Now, understanding these frequent errors not only enhances your strategy effectiveness, but can also help sustain your social media presence in the ever-evolving digital landscape. Now, welcome to Rich Trick. In this video, 5 mistakes to avoid when monetizing your social media accounts. I'm going to be sharing with you 5 mistakes you should avoid before getting started when you get started to monetize your account. Now, before we get right into it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, guys. Hit the subscribe button, smash the bell icon, so whenever we drop great new videos like this, you'll be one of the first people to enjoy the benefits of the video. Now, number 1 mistake. Mistake 1. The mistake number 1 that you should avoid while trying to get your account monetized or do your monetization on social media is the one-size-fits-all approach. I know, how many of you know what a one-size-fits-all approach is? It's simply directing all your social media account through one channel. We know that different social media channels attract different audiences, so posting the same type of content across all platforms can fail to engage effectively. Now, what you have to do is to tailor content to suit each platform's unique audience for better brand perception. Mistake number 2. Failing to understand your audience. We all know that we need to understand our audience better in order to get best from our social media monetization. Now, it's crucial to understand your audience preferences so you know how to create content that resonates with your audience. One way to do this is to use your social media analytics tools to gain insight into your audience, interest, and of course their behaviors. The number 3 mistake: overposting. How many of you know that overposting has issues? No, I bet a lot of people don't know this. Now, when you overpost, there's a lot of issues that can come with it, because excessive posting can overwhelm your audience. Now, when it comes to posting content, you should focus on quality over quantity. Number 4, the 4th mistake. Now, before I open this number 4, if you're still right here staying tuned to Rich Tricks, then don't forget, hit the subscribe button, guys, smash the bell icon, and of course, give us a thumbs up so our video can go more viral and a lot of people can learn and earn from our videos. Now, on number 4, we've got not practicing ethical advertising. A lot of people advertise in a non-ethical way. Now, don't be like them. Ethical advertising emphasizes honesty, transparency, and of course, the respect for consumers is the key in social media marketing. So, using clear disclosure methods for sponsored content and avoiding the misleading guys, avoid misleading content will help maintain consumers' trust. Now, the last but not the least, which is the 5th the 5th mistake you should avoid when monetizing social media is being too salesy. Now, you don't have to always be a sales girl on every post. You don't have to always want to sell. Now, overly aggressive sales pitches can turn off potential customers. So instead, you need to focus on building relationship with your audience. You need to focus on authentic storytelling because that's more engaging than ad selling. Now, that will be all for today on Rich Trick. Now, don't forget, hit the subscribe button, smash the bell icon, and we're going to be dropping more beautiful videos on your social media monetization. Goodbye.